That goes that way. That goes that way. That's up, down, down. And the motor comes on.
Well, the motor coming on is a good thing. I find it's probably going to go a little faster.
Yeah, these wheels way out front compared to that Mustang.
How many flights do you have on this?
This is like a maiden, okay?
Oh, the maiden. I thought you'd flown this once before.
Once.
Okay, so second flight.
And I never could get safe on it. I took it home, I worked on it,
Uh-huh.
So,
Is it on now?
no, I never did get it.
Oh, still haven't. Okay.
We'll find out.
All right, flight number 2 for Jim's A-6 Texan. Look at that, man. Just popped right up. That's almost like a stall aircraft there. Rolling tape, so keep it in as close as you're comfortable.
Oh, yeah, let's get over here then. I'll bring her back down some. Sorry.
Well, just as close as your comfort zone is.
High speed pass.
That really got off the ground quick, Jim.
Yeah. Bring her back around. I'm not going.
I was pretty impressed with that.
That's the landings that get you on this plane, remember? What is this thing doing? I don't think I got it trimmed out.
Well, let me know if you need help with it.
Okay. Yeah, let's get over here.
Well, it looks like a field is in pretty good shape.
Yeah, they cut it down pretty good.
Gonna mow today or not?
I saw on the Facebook they said they were gonna mow, or they thought they were. To me, it looks like it could wait for a day or two.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Oh, I know why. Wednesday. Yeah, that's tomorrow. They got the kids coming.
Oh, that's
1
right.
o'clock.
That's right.
Yeah, I may bring my biplane out or my little tub.
I think the biplane would be a good treat for them, because then they could see what, you could just build one. You don't have to go out and spend thousands of dollars.
Well, actually, it's cheaper to buy one and build one.
Oh, really?
It's not trimmed out.
Well, you need any help with it, Jim?
I'm talking about keeping it in close.
Oh.
This helps. That's full throttle. That's not bad. Huh? Up and down, I'm not worried about. It's right and left.
Dude, you're braver than me. I'm always worried about the up-down.
Yeah.
Down hurts.
Well, this you got to keep a little back pressure on it. I'm used to that, although I'm trying to get out of that. You know what I mean?
Yeah, better to trim it out. More relaxing.
Yeah, I find that when you get confused, you can let go of it, and
It's better to.
if it don't have an artificial dive built into it, then you might have a second to recover.
It's a good day to trim because there's very little wind.
Yeah.
So anything it's doing is
Probably about 70
not the wind.
throttle.
You need help with it?
Yeah. I think I got it.
All right.
We'll find out.
He said as he
How's that look?
flipped inverted.
Good there, it's climbing a little. I don't know if that's you or not, but
That is the plane. Yeah, it's okay. I don't mind a little.
yeah, what I usually do is I set it to climb at full throttle, and then at half throttle I set it for neutral, not going up or down at half.
That's how I like setting mine too.
Yeah. That way it's more like flying a real airplane. You want to climb, you give it throttle.
Okay. Let's see what the flaps do. Full flaps.
Nothing. Slowed it down good though.
Yeah, slowed it down really well.
Then what you want to do is, while you're up there really high with full flaps, is reduce the throttle and see what it does at low speed.
Okay, just a second. I don't know if I got enough turn to come in. Okay, no throttle.
Get up a little bit more though.
Let it slow down.
Yeah. I'm on.
See if it departs.
I don't think it will, but we'll find out.
I'll bring it in closer though, so you can see what it's really doing.
Okay, flaps are down. I'm making
You're
the
way
turn
the
now.
hell out there.
Huh?
You're way the hell out there.
Yeah.
You need to be in real close. You can't tell what it's doing
No
out
throttle.
there.
No throttle.
Yeah, keep adding elevator.
Was that the plane dropping the wing, or was that you?
No, that was. I think it was me.
Go west with it.
West, okay.
And reduce your throttle. Yeah, you don't want to go full throttle west. You want to go no throttle west, but you got to get back here east so you can watch what it does. Because the pitch is what you're worried about.
The what?
Pitch.
Oh yeah. Okay.
It looks like it.
Tell what it's doing.
Looks like I can. It looks like the plane is just sinking in like a normal descent.
No throttle.
It's staying at a neutral plane, and the plane just dropping in.
Anything, okay?
Yeah, but with no throttle, just keep giving it a little bit up and see what it does. Okay, yeah, you give throttle again and then make the heading back west. But I'd get up a little bit higher.
Okay. That's a little higher. Yeah, I am.
You want plenty of time to recover if it does something stupid.
If I'm out of time. I don't know about this plane on the battery.
Yeah, well, you don't want to fly it out of battery for sure.
It flies better than what I thought.
Looks like it does pretty good with the flaps. So.
Jim, you know them timers are just a suggestion.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. I know. I remember you and your jets. Oh, that. Yeah, I got plenty of about.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, what's that ticking noise? That's the sound of your dollar bills running out of your wallet. You gonna belly it?
I thought I was down.
No, it looks like I don't see them.
Yeah, there's no
There they go. Ooh, you better get a little power on that. Your flaps are still deployed, by the way.
Yeah, you need to be in here.
You got it, you got it. Look at that.
Yeah, that's good.
Beautiful, man. You was talking about a tough to land. Come on, man.
Bang, bang, bang. He landed, okay?
That thing is,
Do you remember the first time it just...
I don't remember it.
Yeah, I was down there and I jumped it. It bounced, kangaroo hopped. and
Well,
I
that...
just went ahead and landed. That's
You know, I'm not a fan of landing with flaps. I don't know, I've not never gotten used to it.
that's
But
one of the
that
very
was beautiful.
few airplanes I've ever flown and landed with flaps. The reason I did is when you said, as I come in, oh, you got your flaps down. I go, oh shoot, well they can just stay down because I'm flying it fine.
Yeah, it looked good. As I was concerned with it stalling, but heck, that thing didn't have any stall tendency. Good flight there, Jim. Well, based on what I saw, I think the answer is probably no. Why is that?
That's not the way you carry it.
Oh yeah.
Did you get your P-39 Cobra ordered?
Ordered? No. I almost pulled the trigger on that PC-6 though.
I looked at that. I really did.
$178. I mean, that's
just
a
didn't
good
have the
price.
bug, you know what I mean? And I am going to order it.
Yeah, because that's a $330 airplane, that
Yeah, I know.
P-40.
That got it down to what I've been paying for the
278 or something.
Yeah.
The Air Cobra was $339.
No, Air Cobra is 269.
Yeah, 279, I think. Yeah,
Really?
with it.
Wow, that's not bad. That's a nice
And it's a
thing.
good flying airplane.
Yeah, Jim let me fly it. I think I scared him with it a couple times, but it flies good.
I guess I'm gonna have to let you fly it again to get you to get one.
Maybe, I don't know. Like I said, I'm kind of keen on that PC-6.
Okay.
Hang on, I'll go wipe the butter off of the wheels.
I guess my day's about over with. Time is it?
I'm gonna make one more.
I got enough time for one more.
There's the hover. That's the best they could do.
That's me too.
Yeah, I'm a lot happier with that
not a 3D guy.
Yeah, this ain't a good 3D airplane.
Do what, Jim?
I'm a lot happier with that AT-6.
Oh, that flew beautiful. The landing was really
I don't
good.
mind if I have a bouncy landing once in a while, but I want to be able to land it most of the time, you know, make a pretty good deal out of it.
Listen, any landing I don't got to apply glue at generous proportions,
I
I'm
know.
happy with.
But I will keep the flaps on next time. Huh?